I'm working on an episode that I should have released a while ago. It's finished, but I had an awesome idea for its intro titles, and shooting them will require the use of the camera slider. I will also need a motorized camera slider to film the end of my latest TCMW episode. So my options are, I can buy one, you know me, that's never gonna happen, or I can build my own. Now, I have an idea, but it's kind of an elaborate project, so for the moment, I decided to go with a quick and dirty version, using, hopefully, what I already have, a ton of Lego. And for the actual rails, I can use these rods from my DSLR rail system. Although the travel of the slide on this thing will be pretty limited. Last week, I went to the hardware store and I couldn't believe my luck. I found this curtain rod for just $5. It looks the same size as this expensive rail system. But unfortunately, it's like a hair thicker and doesn't fit. Maybe if I strip the paint or something. Nah, we'll see. And my third option is to recycle these metal strips used for shelving. I found them for free during one of my many skip dives. But first things first, let's start with the actual slider. Alright, let's see if I have something useful here. Minecraft, no. Baby Star Wars, cute, but no. Oh, this will come in handy. It has all the bits and pieces that I need to motorize the slider, except some small wheels I can connect an axle to. What else have we got here? Plane, no. Truck, almost. Another plane. A boat. The Louvre. Ooh, maybe this one? Nah, the wheels are smooth inside, no luck. Damn, it means I have to buy some new Lego. Oh no! Alright, what about, let's see, no. Oh, here we go. This thing has got wheels that I can motorize. Perfect. I know. Technically speaking, get the pun? New Lego is not free, but it's not really an expense, right? It's more like an investment. This simple thing only took me a couple of hours of engineering, and it's got everything I need. Remote control, different speeds, and a modular design so it can be used on the floor, on a variety of rail systems, and even upside down. Try to find something on the market that does all of that and doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. I like insisting on this. When you feel the need for something, a gadget or a tool, resist the impulse to buy it. Exercise and use your imagination. Most of the time, you will discover that you can build something that suits your needs using what you already have. Oh, and one last thing. You probably noticed a different setup this time with the lights and everything. And you may be wondering what I'm using. No, I'm not gonna do any product placement. Quite the opposite. I like to show you this new key light that I'm using because I built it from things that I found. I simply use cardboard from a paper bin, an LED string that I got from a reject shop, and stuff I already had, such as a cutting mat, a ruler, scissors and utility knife, glue, sheets of paper, and my favorite item of all, baking paper. It is so versatile, I honestly use it for so many different things other than cooking, it's ridiculous. Oh, and some old pegs and a few cable ties. Let me show you how I built it. And the best thing of all is that if after today I'm not happy with how it works, I can always undo it and rearrange the lights in a different pattern without spending a cent. I hope you guys found today's videos useful. As usual, subscribe to and follow my channel for more awesome videos. See you next time.